Hi guys, it's International Master Evgeny Liseyev, and we're gonna solve some puzzles today. It's a puzzle rush, we have 5 minutes, we need to solve as many puzzles as possible, and I'm gonna commentate all the ways through to make it as interactive as possible. Of course, it's gonna slow me down a little bit, but it doesn't matter. The main thing is it's gonna be useful for you, so yeah, let's see. Let's get started. So normally in the first 10 to 15 puzzles, it's all relatively straightforward. You should start with a check, and in most of the cases give a checkmate. See here, back rank checkmate is the main theme. Either checkmate in one or in a few moves. This way in one, queen e2, yeah, checkmate in a few moves. Now let's end move, so we have only the bishop. We use it to win the rook. Here once again a checkmate. So first of all, we are always looking for the checks. Only if there are no checks, we are moving to the capture. If there are no captures as well, then we are going to find a way to create a threat to attack our opponent's piece. One of those three should almost always be the right thing to do. Okay, here it's a corner game, so we need, I don't know, a little bit trickier. We just create a threat and give a checkmate. Here we change the queens and then the pawn can move. Takes, keep is covered. Take it because it's under attack and now just attack it. Here we give a check, connect another piece to the attack. Very important. Always try to connect as many pieces as possible to the attack. Here we give a checkmate. Here we need to block the bishop to promote our pawn. And then here we just discard the king from the defense. Once again with a check. Here it's checkmate 1. Here we make sure that the king can stop our pawn. Here bishop e2. Here we take a very typical puzzle. We take the bishop and then the knight is unprotected, then someone will win it. Number 3, everything is protected. What do we do? How do we win? It's fun, that will help, with b8, it's low, it's 52. Let's pick one over there. Yeah, how to win. Okay, on g8 because we win the knight on the pin side. Here we take it and then the knight is unprotected. Here we check, and 3, and then just a checkmate. Now a little bit more tricky because there are a lot of different checks. Here we should win the king somehow with our g3. One, simple. Bishop g5, okay. G2, and still in between. Which should be not change, and this guy should promote. So now g5 should be winning. That is a fun idea. Now checkmate somehow. Here, okay, he escapes to f5. So create this e5 square for the queen. Here we need to make sure that the queen doesn't escape. Here takes, I don't like g7. Just create the queen once again, can't escape. Here, I don't know, bishop f4, king d7. Okay, you can deliver that. F4 is not possible. Okay. If you take it, because it's check and here. Okay. Here it's from these two things. Hit distribution when you don't understand which way the pieces are going. But still 44, pretty good result considering the fact that I was trying to prevent as much as possible along the way. And yeah, let's maybe back and look at the positions that I didn't solve correctly. So here I played here he played king s3 and played c4, which is a mistake. And also, sorry, I played king d3, which is a mistake. Maybe just c4 because they have to be as fast as possible and we don't care. Somehow I saw that if I play c4 immediately, he will play back to d4, but it's not a problem because we are pawn up in this pawn game. Here, yeah, it was very weird because the spawns are actually going this side and I don't really understand. Here I played king g6, knight g6, and it was a mistake because of king e8, and then e8 promotes. Fortunately, didn't have it, and then try to win. Finally, the last one. Here, we didn't have any time. Unfortunately, I guess, yeah, we have 7. The problem is that now we hands the queen and we don't really win enough material to write queen. It's not in g3. Okay, then we should give a check on some. d8, okay, yeah. It was really good. Yeah, so the point is, we are sacrificing, firstly we are taking this pawn out of the vase and we are sacrificing the rook to make this king naked, and then we use our second rook to give a checkmate and it wasn't having naked. It's the first instinct is always, you know, when you have this beautiful rook to make a discover check without, of course, giving up the rook. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was very instructive for you. Hit the like button if you find it useful and subscribe to my channel for daily videos to improve your chess level. And see you in the next